9 coding tools for Python developer. Number 1. Jupyter. Project Jupyter is a project and community whose goal is to develop open-source software, open standards, and services for interactive computing across dozens of programming languages. It was spun off from Python in 2014 by Fernando Perez. Number 2. Pycharm. Pycharm is an integrated development environment used in computer programming, specifically for the Python language. It is developed by the Czech company JetBrains. Number 3. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a freeware source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and macOS. Features include support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippets, code refactoring, and embedded Git. Number 4. Black PEP 8. Black is a PEP 8 compliant opinionated formatter. Black reformats entire files in place. It is not configurable. It doesn't take previous formatting into account. Number 5. Wiley. Wiley is an application for tracking the complexity of Python code in tests and applications. Wiley uses Git to go through each revision, commit, in a branch and run complexity and code analysis metrics over the code. You can use this to limit your code or report on trends for complexity, length, etc. Number 6. Pytest. Pytest is a testing framework that allows users to write test codes using Python programming language. It helps you to write simple and scalable test cases for databases, APIs, or UI. Pytest is mainly used for writing tests for APIs. It helps to write tests from simple unit tests to complex functional tests. Number 7. MIPI. MIPI is an optional static type checker for Python. You can add type hints, PEP 484, to your Python programs and use MIPI to type check them statically. Find bugs in your programs without even running them. You can mix dynamic and static typing in your programs. You can always fall back to dynamic typing when static typing is not convenient, such as for legacy code. Number 8. PANT. PANT is a source code, bug and quality checker for the Python programming language. It is named following a common convention in Python of a py prefix and a nod to the C programming lint program. It follows the style recommended by PEP 8, the Python style guide. Number 9. Git. Git is software for tracking changes in any set of files, usually used for coordinating work among programmers collaboratively developing source code during software development. Its goals include speed, data integrity, and support for distributed, non-linear workflows. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.